Commander Morning. My name is Bishop T.B. Ngobo, the Secretary General of South Africa is Not For Sale Workers Union. My comrade, ngifuna ukudila kakhulu today nama issues kamasipala weTheku okuyi-metro. Abasebenzi lapho khona behola ngo-category 8 instead of category 10. Siyazi ukuthi ama-unions enu alwile lolu daba kodwa kwase kushintsha yodwa ukuthi asebenzisana nomqashi ngokwe-MOU yama-union nama-affiliation politically. But ke le i-SANFOSAW, South Africa is Not For Sale Workers Union. Kusho ukuthi njengabalunga ase-South Africa asekwazi ukudayisana ngokusebenza nama-conditions nama-contract of employments ngokwabasebenzi bese egcina eba ngama-non-compliance abaqashi. Umasipala weTheku is underpaying you. Whoever that sees this video esebenza kwamasipala weTheku, umasipala weTheku is underpaying you. So now, as a SANFOSAW, we are here now to say, let's take this matter forward. Siyoyifaka e-court, siyoza ukuthi e-court izojustifywa yini court ukuthi for more than 10 years umasipala a-underpaye abasebenzi. And same masipala weTheku, uyena masipala okwazi ukubuyisela imali ka-treasury engayisebenzisanga. That means umasipala uyazi ukuthi abasebenzi kufanele ngabe ba-elevatwe to category 10 to category bani category 8 to category 10, but akakwenzanga lokho. So now we are here, bonke umuntu wakamasipala from EPWP kuze kuyofika kuma-departments akamasipala, kuze kuyofika emaphoyiseni akamasipala, kuze kuyofika ey'manageni zikamasipala. Ngicela nijoyine i-SANFOSAW. Njengamanje, believe me, in 2 months sizobe sine-case ephelele e-Labour Court ezodila specifically kulento yoku-upgradewa kwani kweTheku liyongena ku-grade band 10 bese kuthi le minyaka yonke ekade isalele emuva sifuna umasipala anikeze isinxephezelo ngoba ube-underpayer. Siready-ke manje, we sat down nama-lawyers wethu sahlala sacubungula sabona ukuthi this is a case ekufanele siyotakula ngayo abasebenzi bani bakamasipala weTheku. Okwenu kunye engicelayo, joinani i-SANFOSAW. Iscope sakhona sama municipalities sikhona, and ngiyacela ukuthi ningakuthathi for granted ukuthi nilwelwa nikuma-unions enu, but into esifunayo ukuthi nibuyise i-membership from kulama-unions enu izongena ku-SANFOSAW. Sikhona, siyatholakala, inamba yethu sitholakala kuyo 071 978 4717, enye ithi 079 426 3038. Uma ngabe uhluleke lapho ke siyosithola kwethi 060 590 5029, then ke complete. Sifuna ukuthi nonke nithatha ama-forms, nonke nithatha membership, and sikhona njenge-union silapha eSangro House e-1308 u-Anthony Lembede Street. Amandla wethu.